Machiegni kendo jotuo mag kansa kod jorit maggi medo kwayo sirkal mondo med kony ne jotuo kod jogo machiwo arita ne jotuo kaka yo achiel mar miyo gi mijingo mar kedo kod tuo no. Ka giwuoyo e osiptal maduong' ma Kenyatta e nyasi mar ringo odiochieng' kedo gi tuo mar kansa gi yuago koso omenda mar thieth kod akweda e kind oganda kaka moko kuom midhiero mathiro lwenj kedo gi tuo makamano. Jogo modagi kansa okwayo oganda kod anyuola mag jotuo mondo chiw arita makare kendo ter jotuo e osiptende mondo giyud thieth makare.
But I want to go and encourage the people, the ladies at Kenyatta. So this is a special...
It is true that the places or the cancer facilities are still few. It was worse then. When I was going through treatment, there were only 3 radiotherapy machines in the country. I was treated at Kenyatta Hospital because I couldn't afford the private ones. But today, at least they are a bit spread. The thing is, it requires more people in the government to listen and to take it serious because cancer does not choose. It can attack anybody, whether you are rich or poor. I remember 12 years ago, the budget here, Ministry of Health for cancer was only 300 million. That is the cost of one radiotherapy machine then. Does it help? Very difficult. So if they can be more sensitive and listen to us who have walked the journey, perhaps they can put more effort. They should not wait until they themselves are afflicted or their loved ones.